guys, today we are going to mount a TV mount onto this panel right here. It's my bedroom and I'm going to mount a 32-inch TV, which is the perfect size for my bedroom, and I am going to use the CondoMounts Advanced Tilt TV mount. So I'm going to show you the whole procedure and let's look at how to mount this TV onto this bedroom panel. Right, so for the first step, let me just take out CondoMounts Advanced TV mount includes everything, right? Everything you need to mount a TV onto this panel, and they also include this. These are wall anchors, drill bits, screws, and everything needed to mount your TV onto the panel. So for the first thing, what you must do is you take out this metal unit, the TV main unit right here, and you must make sure that you place your unit onto the panel and make sure the measurement right here is the same, right? So that it is placed right in the middle of the panel. Right, so I'm going to start mounting right now. Let's see what you must do next. So you have measured the length. You just use this leveler given together, make sure it's in the middle, and make the drill holes. 4 holes, alright? 4 holes. And that's it. So what do you do next? I'm going to take out this drill bit right here. So this is a special drill bit from CondoMounts. It's a titanium drill bit. So yeah, everything is given together with this mount. You don't have to worry about anything else, right? Let me just remove this from the plastic. Okay, yeah, there you have it, the titanium coated drill bit, right? This drill bit is really good and it's suitable to mount this TV mount onto the fixed wall panel. Okay, fix this and let's start drilling. I'm going to drill the holes right now and I'm going to use this. Okay, this is a dust collector and this makes sure that everything is clean, right? So just place this onto the hole that you're going to make, right, like that. Hold it like this and you just drill through the mark that you have just made, like that. Okay, hold the dust collector and just start drilling. And there you go. You got all the dust collected in this dust collector. I'm going to make all 4 holes and we're going to start mounting our TV. Alright, all 4 holes drilled. Next, what you do is you take this elephant anchor given together with the mount and you just place it through the hole that you have just made. Perfect entry. So you place all 4 anchors. I have placed 2. Okay, 1 down here. These elephant anchors are really special because it's really strong, you know, and it's going to last really long. So all 4 this, and then you just pull this clip right here. Like this clip right here, you just pull it right through into the hole, like that. Okay. Okay, so that's what you do. And next, what you do is you remove this extra clip by just putting it up and down like this. So I'm going to do this for all 4, and I'm going to show you what to do next. For the next step, I use these machine screws to place the main TV mount, and this is also given together with the product. So we need 4 of them, and these washers right here, right, placed together with this screw. 1 more right here. Okay, there you go. So we have 4, and just place this over, and as you can see, I've already placed the elephant anchors right there. I'm just going to use my hand first, right, place all 4 of the screws to here, and oops, okay, now I'm going to use this drill. You just place them loosely first and then make sure that it's straight when you're mounting them onto the wood panel. TV mount has been placed on the wood panel. Next, what do? You take out this. Okay, as I said before, this is an advanced tilt TV wall mount. This is the VESA mount. This one should be placed behind your TV. I'm going to do that right now. You know, sometimes when you want to mount your TV mount and you just can't find the right screws. Well, in this product, the CondoMounts Advanced TV, everything is given. Alright, screws with different sizes. Like for example, let me show you this. As I said, I'm going to place this VESA mount and look at this VESA hole. It's really small. But with CondoMounts, you don't have to worry because all the screws in different sizes, they are all given together with the mount. Right, I'm going to place this right now. I'm going to remove this screw. And I'm going to place the VESA mount after this. So as you can see here, I'm using a very old version TV and the VESA size is really odd, right? Sometimes when you face these kind of challenges, you can't actually place the VESA on behind. So for that, you need this. Okay, this is called a VESA adapter. I'm gonna place this behind, and now you could just place the screws given together with this VESA adapter. Place them behind here. Alright, done placing the VESA mount. So as you can see here, I have used this adapter right here because the VESA size was really odd, and now I've done placing the whole VESA mount behind. So now after this is just a simple step of just placing this behind. Come over to this side, okay, I just have to place the top one first. Just insert the TV inside, and down here it's locked. What you do is you just pull these two strings, pull it down and lock the TV in place. There you go. Done mounting the whole TV onto this wall panel.